The secret to your dream life, as well as mine, is easier than we think. Because it is only that we have to change one thing. And that one thing that we've got to change is our paradigm. And a paradigm can only be changed in one of two ways. The first way is by an emotional impact, which are 9 out of 10 times negative. And we can't really generally plan for these negative or these emotional impacts. For example, a death in the family, a death from a friend, a loss of a job, a tsunami hitting the coast, airplanes flying into towers. These things are emotional impacts and quite harsh ones, but they can change our habitual way of thinking and through that our habitual behavior in an instant. But because we just determined we can't change our paradigms voluntarily through these emotional impacts, because we can't plan or predict them and they're usually negative, we must find another way. And the second way that we can change our paradigm is by spaced repetition. So through the power of what Napoleon Hill calls autosuggestion, we can change our life for the better and live a happy, healthy and prosperous life. If you really want to dive into this, I suggest you study the chapter on autosuggestion in Napoleon Hill's book Think and Grow Rich. And you read it for 60 days, perhaps even 90 days, every single day, preferably out loud, somewhere where you won't be disturbed, perhaps in bed at night or somewhere where you won't be disturbed. And study it so deeply so that you can use the power of autosuggestion to live a more happy, healthy and prosperous life. Thank you very much for listening. Live with love and live with passion. Namaste.